Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Microsoft Azure OpenAI for automation workflows. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Azure portal at portal.azure.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Create a Resource section. In the search bar, type Azure OpenAI and select it from the drop-down. Click on the Create button. Fill in the required fields, including subscription, resource group, and region. Choose the appropriate pricing tier based on your usage needs. Click on Review plus Create and then select Create to provision the resource. After deployment, navigate to the OpenAI resource you just created. In the resource overview, locate the Keys and Endpoint option. Copy the API key provided for your OpenAI resource. Next, open your automation tool, such as Microsoft Power Automate or your preferred platform. Create a new workflow and select the trigger that suits your needs. Add an action to call HTTP requests. In the action configuration, paste the endpoint URL from the Azure OpenAI resource. Set the method to post for sending data. In the request headers, include the authorization header as bearer followed by your API key. Set the content type to application/JSON. In the request body, input the JSON structure required for your API call. Make sure to test the workflow to confirm that the Azure OpenAI integration works correctly. Monitor the output for any errors and adjust the parameters as necessary. Once the workflow performs as expected, save and activate it. Consider implementing additional error handling and logging features for more robust automation. Review and refine your workflow periodically to adapt to any changes in requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.